We are making great progress through the different data structures, and this section dives into another data structure known as tuples. Now, a tuple in Python is similar to a list, which we've covered in a lot of detail already. The difference between the two is that we cannot change the elements of a tuple once it is assigned, whereas we can change the elements of a list. So you may be thinking, well, if we can't change the elements once they've been assigned, why would we ever use a tuple? Well, sometimes we want to store data that can't be changed or manipulated, and this is where tuples would come in handy. We'll be discussing tuples versus lists later in this section. Now, we will be going over some familiar concepts in this section as we've seen a lot of the syntax before, but this will be a way of reinforcing our learning. So let's start by seeing how we create an empty tuple. So we can start by creating a variable which will store the tuple object. So we can put my_tuple. We can then put an assignment operator, i.e. the equal sign, and then we can put brackets. So notice here these are not square brackets, they're not curly braces, they are standard brackets. Now if we put the my_tuple variable into the built-in type function, you can see we've created a variable of the type tuple. In the next video, we'll see what we can include inside of tuples.